Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how to deploy a smart contract on the LazAI Testnet using Remix and MetaMask. Before we begin, make sure you have a browser with MetaMask installed and also get some LazAI Testnet tokens from the faucet for gas fees. Here in the LazAI network, official website, they have a dev docs. You can see the network adding and deploy contracts also in this document. Here the network informations are there, the chain ID, RPC, faucets and all are. In top left you have see the deploy with hardcat, with remix, fortree, everything. And deploy with remix you have a pre-requesting setup, LazAI testnet, contract addresses, get testnet tokens, access remix ID, create smart contract for example code, and also deploy your contract on the remix. So first we get into the uh, remix. Before we need to add the network in the MetaMask. So you can search Alit LazAI. They have a Alit LazAI.network docs. Here you can see the Alit documentation and you can move into the LazAI overview. Yet network information. Click the add to LazAI network to MetaMask. You can easily add your network into the MetaMask. Next, we move on to the faucet collection. So if you want faucet, you can search faucet LazAI. Here is the official website LazAI Testnet faucets. Just paste your wallet address and send me LazAI. They send 0.02 LazAI in your wallet. I already have a 0.021 LazAI in my wallet. They also send 0.2. View on Explorer. You can see the transaction successful or failed. The transaction was successful. The 0.04 LazAI in my wallet. So next move on to the Remix IDE. You can choose the Remix IDE. Here we deploy the smart contract using LazAI testnet. Just to open the remix.ethereum.org and accept this. I create a new workspace. Name as the LazAI. I have a network issue, so I reload it. Yeah, I choose learning. And I choose the LazAI workspace and create a new file. The program file name is counter.sol. Oh my god. Okay. Counter.solidity. We use the solidity code, so we use it. Here they give a document. In the document, you can see the counter.sol program. Just copy the program. This program is counter like this program I will explain shortly. The pragmaticality versions are denoted, and also contract counter have three functions: increment and decrement get count. Increment functions will increment the count, and decrement function will decrement the count. Function get count was give the total count. In right corner you can see the compiler. If you choose auto compile, if you change any line of the code, it will be automatically compiled. Or if you remove the auto compile, you can compile it manually. Next, smart contract. So click the deploy and run button. Choose the MetaMask, insert MetaMask. Just connect your remix into the MetaMask. Here you can see the your wallet address and the LazAI testnet values. Just click that deploy button. It will ask the confirmations. Yeah, the LazAI network. If you didn't see the LazAI testnet, you can change your network and deploy again. The transaction was successful. I see that my contracts are deployed. Yeah, this is the deployed contract I have. Decrement, increment, get count, and hashes. The transaction was successful. The hashes and the gas fees like that. If I click get count, the initial value is 0. I click increment function. Just a transaction pending. Yeah, here is the transaction request. I'll confirm the transaction request. The transaction request was confirmed. It will be the transaction was confirmed. It was successful. If I click get count, I click one time increment, so I have a get count is 1. If I click decrement function, it again asks the transaction fees. I'll confirm it. The decrement is pending and the transaction was confirmed. If I click again get count, it will show 0. Yeah, here is the simple smart contract deploy on LazAI testnet using Remix. You successfully completed your first smart contract with the LazAI testnet. Just leave your feedbacks in the comment section. Next, we discuss about some cool, interesting topics about LazAI. Bye.